accelerating AI at the edge with NVIDIA's JetPack 6.2 SDK on Premio's JCO Series. The future of AI at the edge just received a powerful boost. Premio's rugged JCO Series AI edge computers now support NVIDIA's JetPack 6.2 SDK, unlocking next-gen AI performance and advanced software capabilities for real-world deployments in robotics, automation, and computer vision systems.
Now with support for super mode in NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano and NX modules through JetPack 6.2 SDK, the JCO series delivers up to 2 times faster generative AI workloads and a 70% boost in AI TOPS, enabling richer models, faster response times, and smarter decision-making at the edge.
NVIDIA's JetPack 6.2 SDK is available across Premio's full JCO lineup, including the fanless mini JCO 1000, small form factor JCO 3000, and high-performance JCO 6000 models. This release brings the latest software and AI stack to developers, including Jetson Linux, CUDA, TensorRT, and CUDA Deep Neural Network, enabling faster AI model execution, reduced latency, and expanded support for transformer-based workloads. NVIDIA's JetPack 6.2 also enhances multi-camera processing through upgraded libraries, APIs, and developer tools, delivering sharper image capture and lower processing overhead for real-time computer vision tasks. Security and cloud readiness are built in, with support for FTPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and NVIDIA's container runtime for streamlined deployment in containerized AI workflows. Developers can also leverage key AI SDKs like DeepStream, Isaac Ross, and Holoscan SDK for multi-sensor processing, robotics, and real-time HPC applications, all supported natively on NVIDIA's JetPack 6.2 SDK. Whether you're scaling AI vision, robotics, or sensor fusion, Premio's rugged JCO series with NVIDIA's JetPack 6.2 delivers the performance, reliability, and flexibility you need at the edge. Explore the future of edge AI computing. Visit premioinc.com or contact us at sales@premioinc.com to learn more about the JCO series and NVIDIA's JetPack SDK.